Today's Tuesday, the 8th day of October 2024, about 8:12 or 13 in the morning. What you're looking at up there in the height of the sky is the Murfreesboro Courthouse. It's a good looking clock tower up there. This here is going into the square, as they call it. This is not the square, but that's our target, is up there. So I'll get a little closer and show that to you. Okay, just wanted to add that there for you. Be the light, so keep that in mind. Now check this out, read that. There was a house once stood here. John Morgan got married here in 1862, December the 14th it says, and President Jefferson Davis was there at the wedding. So this is the area. You see there's no house here now. There's just that big building, and this is the part of the square right down here. Alright, so I'm now on the square. That's part of it, looking that way. We'll walk around and I'll show you the whole thing. That's more of it down that way. Up through the trees you can see the clock tower up there just sneaking its nose out. Tree lined brick walkways here. Let's see. There we go, right through the trees. We got another place to sneak a peek. But we'll walk around and we'll go see what else we can see. There's a statue. Let's go look at that. So there's your first close look at the courthouse itself. I was going to fly this, but it's an authorization zone, and the Spectamini would not allow me to do that. So I tried to get authorization, but it said it couldn't. But anyway, lest we forget, 1861 to 1865. You can see up there is a CSA soldier. In commemoration of the valor of the Confederate soldiers who fell in the Great Battle of Murfreesboro, December 31, 1862 and January 2nd, 1863, and in minor engagements in this vicinity. The monument is erected. So there you go. There's that. Let's see what this says. Hard to see if it's angled, but there it is. So here's some of the square behind me. And you can see Sam's, the King-of-Door. And again, the courthouse over here to my left. Up here is what looks like a little well, potentially. Maybe this used to water the town. I don't know. Let's go see if it says anything like that. See that big brick building there? Got some arched windows and stuff. So I like that. Alright, let's see. Here's a great big stone. Okay, there's just a little grate there. Sadly, people's put some trash in it. But I do wonder if this was a well or if this is just a representation. I mean, yeah, I'm not seeing a sign anywhere. Alright, so here now we're on this side of it. You can see these really nice columns. I'll get those from the front too, of course. I finally got you in some shade here. Let's get the whole courthouse from this angle. And the flags up there, they're not blown at all. U.S. flag and Tennessee flag, maybe MIA, KIA, I'm not sure. There's your better view of that. We'll get that in a second. I just wanted to show you, look, people park here in this inner part. Then they got this outer part here too, and you can park all along here. So this is set up as almost like a double parking, if you will. That says Blue Star Memorial over there. Let's get past this tree. Alright, and as we walk up, there's just a peek again through the tree. So there you can see the whole building. And those columns there. Aren't those columns really, really nice? Here, if I go this way. There you go. Very nice. Actually, that's a street that goes off the square there, the opposite way of where we came in. And then I just want to show you more of the square over here. Right in front of us it goes again, and then it goes up there, but we got bright sun. We got a memorial over here, but here if I can get, yeah, hopefully you can get that view of that right there. So let's go look at this monument here. It says Murfreesboro, capital of Tennessee, June the 1st of 1818 to April 30th, 1826. And it just goes to there. So this was at one time state capital. Who knew? Because I sure didn't. But there, while we're in the shade, we got that shot there. And then going on around, we got another part of the square here. You can see goes all the way up that way. Even on the side, they got those nice little columns there. I like the Corinthian columns; they're my favorite. Rutherford County offices over there. Big B Cleaners. Wow, look at that dead tree over there. And here, we get us a side view. There's a board up here that tells us something. You see those columns from here. Aren't those nice? The square during occupation. Murfreesboro's first experience with federal occupation came in March of '62, shortly after the fall of Fort Donelson. So here, if you want to read this, you can pause this and read it. And then pause that and finish the reading of that. There's those columns, and I really like those. I know. Pause that and read that sign there. So you can see at first the battle went very good for them, July the 13th, 1862, until then the end of the year and the first of '63, it changed for them. But at first they did pretty good. Right over there, we got another look at those Corinthian columns and this big dead tree here. There you go. Alright, so here's a war memorial for the Korean, Vietnam, Iraqi freedom, World War I, World War II, for the people who's died. In this area. Alright, in this area right here, we'll finish up the square. And we came in from that way right down there. And right behind us again is a memorial I just shot, and the final shot of the courthouse. Pretty nice, huh? Hope you've enjoyed this one.